Check this out. We don't get too many American Motor cars right here. This is an American Motors classic. It's a 1969 AMC Javelin. Just don't find too many of these. Look at how nice this car is. The lines, it's original. As per the owner, 42,000 original miles. We have receipts going back to over 20 years ago, I believe. Whole folder of receipts, all maintenance. The guy really kept it up. Old school hot rod guy. It's original. Numbers matching V8, automatic tranny, heater works. It's factory air conditioning. Original willow green metallic with charcoal interior. Look at how cool this is. Red line tires, old school Kragers. I mean, this guy just kept it old school with this one. Untouched interior, beautiful. The body and paint are in mint condition. All the lines. The underneath of this car looks as good as the top. Check us out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. Wow.